Shenzhen Nock Industrial Co Limited, established in 2021, is a professional engaged in the development, sale and service of CNC custom machining product, fastener, power transmission parts. Our boss has been engaged in custom hardware production for 15 years. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access, with export license, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In order to supply good products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Our products not only sell well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and so on. We can also customize products with client's brand, pack items with gift box and label, help customers arrange door-to-door, and signed the confidentiality agreement with the customer. 100% protect the customer's rights and interests. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We always aim at providing quality products with competitive prices for customers. Welcome to visit us. It will be a great pleasure to establish business relationship and friendship with you.